Hi. In case you haven't spent a lot of time in Montana, we have two seasons. We have winter, and then we have road construction. So I was going to work this morning, and yeah, I didn't remember that season. So I spent a half an hour each way in road construction, Highway 287. So if you're traveling through Montana, make sure you check 511 and find out where the road constructions are. You might want to allow a little extra time. So this is road construction season. I thought you might enjoy. Well, one good thing about road construction season, it gives you a little extra time to enjoy the scenery. The pintlers were absolutely gorgeous this morning, and I got a chance to really study them and take some photos. So up here in the corner is a video of the pintlers. So that's it. They're doing something with that middle rumble strip that they put in just a couple of years ago. So I don't know, that must be a huge expense. I really don't get it, because why can't people just drive and pay attention to the road? But anyway, that is what's going on right now between Twin Bridges and Sheridan, Montana. We don't usually have traffic in this part of the world, so it's kind of a shock. Thanks for watching. Travels with Lucky.